Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do the top 5 TRX exercises. Our first exercise of our top 5 TRX exercises is going to be the squat row. So we're going to take and fully extend our arms with our feet about shoulder width apart. From here we're going to lower our hips back and down into a squat. As you come up, you row at the same time. So squat down, come up, and row. For the row hold, we're going to take and pull our arms back with our hands right under the chest, pinch our shoulder blades, and hold that. And just like any other TRX exercise, the closer you are to the anchor point, the harder it is. So we're going to step in, pinch our shoulder blades, and just hold. For our third exercise, we're going to do a bow and arrow row where we take the handles, put one handle through, and then the opposite handle through the original handle, if that makes sense. Pull back, secure the TRX. You're going to keep one hand you're holding, reach back with the opposite hand, feet still square to the anchor point, and then from here pull the elbow and reach as high up as you can on the TRX. Lower yourself back down slow, reach out, come up. For the TRX Rollout, you're going to start out in push-up position, squeezing onto the handles, core tight, your body in a straight line, and then from here you're going to reach your hands forward without letting your hips drop, and then bring your arms back in. For our TRX Atomic Pushup, we're going to start out in push-up position with our hands shoulder width apart and directly underneath the shoulder. Lower ourselves down into a push-up position. As you come up, bring your knees in for the tuck and then repeat. So we're going to start out lifting the hips up. Now we're in push-up position, lowering down our chest. Exhale on the way up, bring the knees in. And now you have a quick tutorial of our top 5 TRX exercises. I'm going to put each exercise in the description below, and if you like the video or learn anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Top 5 TRX exercises, throw them in your routine and let me know what you think.